In today's video, I'll show you how to fix links not opening in Google Chrome browser. So let's get started. So it might be that your Google Chrome browser is not updated, so it's very important that you do this step first, which is updating your browser. So to do that, you need to click here on the three dots on the top right, and then now from here you want to go into settings. Now, once you're here, just simply want to go here into About Chrome, and then you should see that as the Chrome version here, and make sure it's up to date. If not, make sure that you update your browser. Next is if your browser is updated and you're still having this problem, then it might be on your network. So what you can do is just simply go here into your Start menu, go into the search bar, type in network, and then you should see the View Network Connection. So click on it. And now, from here, you want to find the internet connection that you're using. In my case, I am using my Ethernet, but you might be using Wi-Fi or any other internet connections right here. In my case, it's this one. So you want to make sure that you find the correct one. Now, once you find it, you want to right click. Now, you want to go into Properties. And from here, this would open up. From here, if you could see that you have your IPv6 enabled, you can try unchecking this and clicking on OK, and then try again and opening the link on your Google Chrome and see if that would fix the problem. If not, then you can just go back in here, and then this time you want to go into IPv4. Now you would want to copy my properties in here. So I'm going to select IPv4, click on Properties, and from here, you can just enable this, use the following DNS server addresses. So you can copy this 8.8.8.8, and then the alternate DNS server would be 8.8.8.4.4. Now, once you have done this, you've copied this preferred DNS server and alternate, you want to click on OK and then close. And then after that, you want to try opening it in Google Chrome again, and that should now fix your problem. If it's still not working, then I highly suggest that you use a VPN instead, because it's highly likely that the link that you are opening is not available on your country. So I suggest that you use NordVPN because it has been proven to work with geo-blocking, which is the case if you are getting blocked because of your location. So you simply need to connect to a server or country in here, which is available to that link, and then that should fix your problem. So just follow all these steps, and then you should have your problem fixed. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.